question is asking derive the form, this given form, for the general solution of this differential equation. So it is y4 uh, equal to what? So the auxiliary equation to this is R4. So first we have to write it in a standard form. So it is 4 minus y equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation it will be R4 minus 1. So R4, R2, 4 minus 1 equal to 0. It implies R to the power 4 is equal to 1. You are, by the equation, you are given that these are the fourth root of 1. So basically here, you should take the fourth root of 1. Um, in real numbers, it has one solution, but here we also consider the